So guys, today I have to teach you how to make a icon bar like this. You can make it horizontally or vertically. So first of all, I have to told you how to search it on internet. So go for there, search CDN. I already searched it. Awesome fonts. No, not that. CDN Cloudflare. Okay, Cloudflare icons. So you need this one, and I hope so this one. In this you need this one, CDN, third one, or you can also use second one, but I will prefer third one. And you can use this version on any version you want to use. It's on you, according to your updated version of VS Code or Node.js. Okay guys, and now you can search icons. Go there, search home button, go there, and it will display a free version. Just copy that and paste it in your HTML code. And how to do that I will teach you. But first of all, I have to set up it. Now we should go to our VS Code. So guys, I have copied here. Just link rel style sheet and just copy it down. That's all. Third one, and the link we have copied for our home search button, you can copy here by making a div. First of all, you need a div. Just make a div, give them a name, mean to say class. I will name it horizontal bar, and in it you should create an anchor tag and copy paste there. Mean to say you should create a tag and copy in it, just like because I fast forward it. What you can do is just press a enter. In href you should go for a id, and here you can paste that link. You copy paste, mean to say that if you search a home button there, they will provide you a link, and just copy it and paste it here. That's all. Any type of icon you want, just copy paste. That's all, and it can display here. So for HTML we have done all the work. Now you can see the magic in CSS. So first of all, we have to set our body, and then we proceed to other things. So how can we set our body? As you know, bodies should be set to margin and padding should be 0. So I set margin 0, and I don't think so we need to manipulate padding for it, because we need padding. So dot, mean to say we can call a class name hbar. That's all. And what I have to change in it, mean we need width. It should be 100%, and we need a background color so you can understand it better. I will choose aqua, and we need overflow if happened, and should be auto. That's all. And we have to set h bar. In h bar we have to choose anchor tag, and the most important setting. In this setting we need to set a float. Okay, I have missed f. Okay, just type f. Float. My f is missing, I don't know why. Float left, and we have to set our width. As you can saw, there are 5 icons, so if we divided 100 by 5 we will get 20. So 20% will each have that space, and it will set like that. After that, text alignment according to your need, I will prefer center, but if you want left or right, it is depend upon your project. And padding, that's why I don't set it on earlier, because I've set it on body, then it will make effect here. So it should be 12 or 14 pixel according to your need. Up and down, right and left, and up and down should be 0. Okay, now we have to set transition effect all, and have 3 seconds, and ease in, ease out according to your need. Color should be blue, so I did not touch the color. And font size, yes, I have to change it. I think so 30 pixel is enough. Yeah, that's good. After that we add some hover effect in it, but first of all we have to tell him in a tag whenever you have your mouse just add a hover effect. That's all. When you hover over it, just change the color. It is so simple. Background color should be changed into blue. Oh, it is already blue, so I think so green would be better. Let's see. Okay, it's done. But we need some active tag. So just press dot active class. We will approach active class, and where we set it? We set it here. Okay, and in active just the background color should be, no, brown don't look good. I think so yellow would be, yeah, I think so yellow would be better. So it would be yellow, and here we make our horizontal bar, but I have to teach you also how you make it vertical. So you need to change something in CSS and it can turn into vertical. First of all, you go for your width and change it to 80-90 pixel according to your need. Don't worry about it, it will automatically set if I remove that thing, because if you don't need that, you also don't need that. And float effect will also be go away. Just display and should be block display. That's all. Okay guys, so I have to teach you that how you make icon bar with horizontal or vertical. So have a good day.